Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make a cute bread rolls. These are very healthy, at the same time they are very delicious. So before we go into the recipe, if you are watching my channel for the first time or if you have not subscribed to my channel, please click the red subscribe button below the video and hit the bell icon to get the notification of all my future recipes. So let's start with the recipe. For this, I'll be adding 3 cup of whole wheat flour in a clean bowl which is completely dry. Once you add the flour, add 1 teaspoon of salt to this and nicely mix it and keep this bowl aside. Take another bowl. To this, add half cup of lukewarm milk and then add half cup of water. That also should be lukewarm. And to this, add sugar. Here I am using brown sugar. I'll be using 4 tablespoons of raw sugar and then stir it nicely so that the sugar is completely dissolved in the milk and water. Make sure it's always a little warm. Then to this add 1 teaspoon of yeast. I am adding instant yeast. Then stir the yeast well and let the yeast get dissolved in the liquid. Once you mix it well, to this add 1/4 cup of any flavorless oil. I have added 1/4 cup of sunflower oil. You can choose any oil which you like. And then stir the oil also with this milk water mixture. And once it is mixed well, keep it aside for 10 minutes so that the yeast gets activated. And then to this add flour and start mixing it. Add additional water only if required. Otherwise, the dough should be soft. It should not be very hard or it should not be dry. If you feel it's hard and dry, only then add water. Coat the dough completely with oil and coat it in a way that it's completely coated from all the sides so that your dough doesn't get dry. Once you finish mixing and coating it with oil, cover it with lid for 1 hour. Once you cover it with lid for 1 hour, after 1 hour you can see your dough has raised and it's soft and fluffy. Knead it once more before you start preparing the cute birds. It's amazingly tasty bread rolls which goes perfect with your soup, and it is good for your dinner options too. So before we make the bird, take a small portion of dough and roll it well. Roll it into a smooth ball and then roll this out straight into a long strip. Now once you finish making the roll like this, tie a knot with the dough. And this one end will be free and one end will act as bird's face. Just rounden the face part, and the free part just press it with your thumb and make it flat, and you can lift it a little bit. And then shape it with the fork. And you can get a bird like this. Use choco chip or raisins to make its eye. So our cute little bird roll is ready. Similarly, roll the dough into small portions and then you can tie a knot with it. And then make the bird's face, its beak and a tail. So our cute little bread dinner rolls are ready like this. I'm giving a milk wash to my birds so that you can get a nice brown color on these birds. This is completely healthy because it's made of whole wheat and they looks absolutely gorgeous. So hope you liked it. This is a very simple recipe. The only thing you need to practice is to tie the knot, and rest everything is very easy. Do try it and let me know your feedback in the comment section. And if you have liked this video, please click the subscribe button to support me so that I can get more such videos to you. Do like and share it with your family and friends. And bye till we meet next time.